Now let us look at iterated elimination of strictly dominated strategies. We will scan this box in order to find out any strictly dominated strategy for any of these players, and if we are able to find out one, we will eliminate that from the box, because that particular player is never going to play a strictly dominated strategy. Let us look for player 1 first. Let us compare strategy A to strategy B. In this case, this is not better. In this case, A is better than B. In this case, A is better than B. But not for the first case. So you have not been able to find out a strictly dominated strategy. Let us compare A to C. In this case, A is better than B. In this case, A is better than B. But not in this case, A is better than B. So A is not better than B in the last case. So again, A is not strictly dominating C. Let's compare B to C. In this case, A is better than C. B is better than C. In this case, B is better than C. But in this case, B is not better than C. So, having seen this, we're not able to find out a strictly dominating strategy for player 1. Let us look for player 2 now. Let us compare X to Y. In this case, X is better than Y. In this case, X is better than Y. And even in this case, X is better than Y. So you are able to find out a strictly dominant strategy. So X is a strictly dominant strategy as compared to Y. Or Y is a strictly dominated strategy. Player 2 will never play a strictly dominated strategy. That is Y. So Y has gone off. Now you are left with this 3x2 matrix. Player 2 has only two choices, which is X and Y. Player 1 have three choices, A, B and C. So now compare X to Z. In this case, X is better than Z. In this case, X is better than Z. Even in this case, X is better than Z. So again, you are able to find out that X is a strictly dominating strategy as compared to Z, or Z is a strictly dominated strategy. So player 2 is never going to play Z. He will always play X. Now, given that player 2 will always play X, what is the best strategy for player 1? The best strategy for player 1 is to play B, because that is giving him the highest payoff. This one. Is that okay? So this is the way you'll find out the equilibrium using iterated elimination of strictly dominated strategies.